this is an introduction to functions. So here we have a calculator. In a function, you enter a number and it gives you a result. So it does a calculation to it and it gives you a result. So if I input in the calculator 6 and then I multiply it by 5, because that's what the function is telling me, then I'm going to get an answer of 30. Same thing if I input 7 times 5, then I'm going to get 35. If I input 100, I then get 500. So this is what the function does. Just like a calculator, it does an operation to it. So if the function says 5x, for example, what you do into that variable, the number that changes, is just multiplying it by 5. And that was what we do with a calculator normally. And that's what we did in this case. But it could have more than one step as well. So we'll have a look at that. So when it has 2 steps, you just got to imagine having the first step, stopping, and then doing the second step to the answer you got from the first step. So if I have 6 times 5 gives me 30, take away 3 gives me 27. If I have 7 times 5 gives me 35, take away 3, that gives me 32. So you're just doing 2 steps, and I'll write the function here. You could have even more steps, and the ones that you're going to come across are the linear ones, which look like this, or the quadratic ones, which look like this. So in this case, as you can see, there are 3 steps. You get the number, any number that might be. So x might be a 6, for example. And then you square that. And you add 5 lots of 6, which is 30. And you take away 3. So that is 36. Add 30, that gives us 66. Take away 3 gives us 63.